guys, Catherine here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need to make this hair mask. You're going to need about half a cup of rice, some fenugreek seeds, some flax seeds, hibiscus flowers, aka zobo. You're going to need some guar, which is totally optional. You're going to need some essential oils. Here I'm using lemon and frankincense. You're going to need some glycerin and any oil of your choice. So first things first, I go ahead and wash my rice thoroughly, and then I add 2 spoons of flax seeds and 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds. I add about a handful of zobo leaves and enough water to cook everything. You want to cook this until it is extremely soft and very mushy. So yeah, you want to go ahead and blend this until it is as smooth as you can get it. And this step is absolutely important. I don't care how powerful your blender is. Please strain your deep conditioner. I went ahead to strain mine twice, but you can do it once, but whatever you do, please strain. So this half cup of rice did make me a very big batch. So you might want to use even lesser than that. Maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons will be fine. I went ahead to add some honey for extra moisture. So this was the consistency that I ended up with, which wasn't so bad. But I don't really like when things run down my back or are very runny. So I decided to go ahead and thicken it up, and I used a little bit of guar and some glycerin. You want to add it bit by bit until you get the consistency that you want. Yeah, I love it. I love when my deep conditioners are very thick like this. So yeah, this was the consistency I ended up going for, and this looks absolutely edible. Please don't eat it. So this was the next day. I made this the night before, so I just popped it in the fridge, and in the morning I just heated it up in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I also washed my hair last night and I put it in this chunky braid. So I'm now going to go ahead and apply this all over my head from root to tips. Okay. Wow, guys, I've never seen my hair curl up like this whilst using a deep conditioner. Like, this is amazing. I might just have created something here. Jesus, look at all those curls, guys. See, you need to try this recipe. So you guys, I was so excited about this deep conditioner. Like, it was totally moisturizing and strengthening at the same time, and I was just very excited to see my 4C hair curl up from a deep conditioner. So I applied everything all over my hair, and then I went ahead to apply a plastic bag all over my hair, and then I sat down under my steamer for about 1 hour. after about 1 hour, I just rinsed everything out in the shower, and my hair felt thoroughly moisturized, and I was really happy about that. Alright, you guys, I decided to bring you guys along with me to the salon. This was the hair that I decided to make after getting the treatment done. I didn't want any elaborate style, so I just settled for this simple style. So this is not a tutorial, just giving you inspiration for what you can do with your natural hair. So basically, we're putting my hair in little ponytails in sections. We're using thread because rubber bands, I find, are usually not strong enough to hold my hair. So yeah, this style is pretty easy. I just have the back of my hair in a bun. I added some fake hair that looks like my hair, and then I just wrapped it up. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, we decided to add some beads and some hair jewelries to like spice up the hair. And guys, I got lots of compliments on this hair. It was really amazing. Hey guys, so I know I look like a grease ball, but I've just come back from the salon, and yeah, as you might have seen, this is the hair. It's a very simple protective hairstyle. I know that it wasn't like a step-by-step tutorial, but this was just to give you guys an idea of some of the cute styles that you can do for your 4C natural hair. If you want to see more styling videos from me, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to do this because I have a lot of styles I want to be showing you guys. So let me know in the comment section if that's the kind of content you want to see. Please let me know if you'll be trying the hair mask that I showed. Trust me, my hair felt amazing. Like, I've never seen my hair curl up before from a deep conditioner, so I must have done something right with that recipe. Let me know if you'll be trying it in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, I can't speak. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.